Hey everybody, Chef Jackson Lamb here, trying to get down here and talk to you about what's going on with this COVID-19 and all that stuff. You know, last night I saw the governor on TV telling us to go out and kind of find an old t-shirt and make ourselves a face mask or two. Well, I thought I got a couple of t-shirts I don't need, probably a couple of t-shirts I shouldn't be wearing anyway. So, you know, I went out and I found this one. It's kind of a country style shirt, guitars and all that kind of stuff. So I figured, well, I'm going to follow the governor's advice. But he was talking about, you know, sewing a seam and putting in a rubber bands and that kind of stuff. I'm thinking, wait a second, I'm not a sewer, I'm a chef. So I get this shirt. I got another idea. So I get out my trusty knife. Here we go. Get this baby sharpened up. That's right. You know, hey, we're in the West. That's how we handle things here. Anyway, I'm going to take this t-shirt. My idea is let's just cut off the sleeve. Let's check that out. See how that goes. I'm going to take my trusty boning knife here. We're going to cut along the seam of the shoulder. Sounds like I'm cutting a side of beef. Anyway, cut along the seam and look at that. I got one face mask. Gonna go over to the other shoulder. Gonna separate the shoulder from the radius ulnar. Sounds like cooking class to me. And we're gonna cut along the seam of the shoulder. I just want to make sure that I'm cutting this so that I am as efficient as possible. Here we go. I'm almost done here. Sometimes working with knives, you know, you're in the kitchen, you just got to be careful. Anyway, following the governor's advice, but then trying to twist his advice a little bit, I have determined there are several benefits to my way of doing business. Let me take my hat off just for a second. I want to demonstrate I'm calling this the t-shirt sleeve mask. And it's a perfect fit. So, not only did I get one, I got two. But wait, there's more. After I made my masks, I realized, goodness gracious, look at this. I got a new sleeveless t-shirt. I can wear this to the Kenny Chesney concert. So, with that, I was going to play some of his music, but it's not available. But look at this t-shirt. Shoot. I was trying to buy one of these over at Cabela's last year, and my wife said, you are not going to buy a t-shirt like that with no sleeves. I'm thinking, what is she talking about? She said, that shirt is called, I said, what? In any event, Chef Jackson Lamb down here with Metro State University having some fun during quarantine. See you later.